Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make honey garlic chicken with crispy baked chicken thighs coated in a sweet, salty sauce with a hint of heat. All the ingredients and measurements are in a link right below this video. First, heat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit or 246 degrees Celsius. These are 6 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. They've been washed. Pat them dry with paper towels. Sprinkle the chicken on both sides with coarse salt, ground black pepper, and garlic powder. Rub the spices onto the chicken. Drizzle a little oil over the chicken. Bake in the heated oven for 20 minutes. Then turn the heat down to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees Celsius and cook for another 15 to 20 minutes until the thighs are fully cooked. While the chicken is cooking, we can make the sauce. Peel garlic cloves and finely grate. A rasp makes it easy. Put the garlic in a sauce pot. Add soy sauce, honey, rice wine vinegar, sriracha, and a little water. Bring this up to a boil and reduce slightly. It'll take just a few minutes. Leave it aside. The sauce will get a little thicker as it cools. The chicken is finished cooking. The skin is very crispy. There are 2 ways to serve the chicken. Remove the chicken from the tray. Wipe off all the excess oil on the tray. Dip the chicken in the sauce and put it back on the tray. Place it in the hot oven for a few minutes and the sauce will caramelize onto the skin. The second way is to dip the chicken in the sauce and serve it just like that. Both ways work well. The meat is juicy, the skin is crispy, and the sauce is addictive. With a few ingredients, you can make this delicious chicken very easily and quickly. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.